Yeah, you can.
See all that ghost pipe?
Ooh, that ghost pipe, baby. Ghost pipe.
Okay. Try not to step on it, buddy.
Okay.
And they're pointed down. It's time to harvest.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
No, I mean, we should probably wait because it'll start rotting on you.
Well, I want to show my own.
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, dude, we need to go buy some freaking.
Pictures of it?
Yeah, I am right now. We need to go buy some really strong liquor.
Yeah, Everclear.
Yeah, Everclear would be the best. There's some more. They resemble shrimps a little bit. Look at all them. Look at them pink buddies, man. They're beauts. There's some more. So, I found a nice patch. Nice patch. Apache. I think that's it though. But that's a nice producing patch. That's Pacho. Anyway, much love, God bless, safe travels, happy hunting. Until next time, Piggity, peace.